Hello friends, my name is Viraj. Today I will like to show you the working of our join in SQL Server. So there are four type of join: inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. So in this video I will cover all the types of join with an example. So let us begin with our tutorial. The first we will open our SQL Server Management Studio. After that, just enter your server name, your password, then click on your new query, then create a database name. You join example, just simply select and execute it. So our table is created. Just select your database. Then we will create two table. First, create table employee semicolon EID begin comma ename vark 25 city vark 25 did begin. Just simply select and execute it. So first table is created, then create table name department, open a bracket, close it. Inside that write did begin comma department varchar 25 semicolon. Simply select and execute it. So our second table is also created. After that, we will insert some value in both the tables. So write insert into employee value, open a bracket, 1 comma Viraj comma name Mumbai comma department will be 101. Same way we will insert one more data. Just simply select and paste it to Raj. City will be our Pune and department ID will be 102. Same way one more data we will insert. that is 3. Name Ram. City Delhi. Department will be 101. Again, data number 4. Name Raju. City will be Mumbai. Department 103. Fifth data. Name Ramu. City Navi Mumbai. 102. And last data 6. Anil. City Pune. And department ID 101. Just simply select and execute it. So data is inserted. Now we will insert in department column, in sorry department table, one not one, comma, IT, one not two will be HR, and one not three will be sales. Just simply select and execute it. Now let us check whether all data are inserted or not. So right select star from employee department. Just simply select and execute it. So all the data are inserted. Now we will go with our first functionality, that is inner join. So right select employee dot eid comma employee dot ename comma employee dot city comma department dot did comma department dot from, from, emp, inner, joint, department, department, on, employee dot did is equal to department dot did semicolon. So the column which are similar, that is did and did in both the table, in your employee table and your department table. So the relationship can be established between these two tables by using your foreign key and primary key concept. So here the primary key is did, which is in your employee table, and foreign key is did, which is in your department table. You just simply select and execute it. So an relation is been established. So this is an example of your inner join. Then right join. Select EID, employee name, employee city, department DID, department dot department. Here right join department on department DID is equal to department, employee DID is equal to department DID. Just simply paste it and just select it. So this is an example related to your right join. Now our next example will be based on left join. So left join, so just simply write select, paste it, then write left join department on employee DID is equal to department DID, and just simply paste it. Just select and execute it. So this is an example related to your left join. Now our last example will be full outer join. Just simply select it, paste it, write full outer join department on employee DID is equal to department DID. Just simply select and execute it. So it is an example related to your full outer join. So inner join returns record that have matching value in both the table in the case of your inner join. Right outer join or right join returns returns all the record from right table and match record from the left table. Left outer join returns all the record from the left table and match the record from the right table. And in your full outer join returns all the record when there is a match in either left or right table. So this is a description related to use of all these join. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, share it and keep supporting me. Bye.